Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present to you the top 5 best pool test kit available on the market today. We made this list from our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the links in the description below. If you're here for the first time on our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the daily video notification. So without further ado, let's get started. The number 1 position is dominated by Poolmaster222605 Swimming Pool Test Kit. Anyone who believes that if we work hard, we should play hard, and will agree that in order to keep a healthy pool or spa, we need to put time into maintaining the water quality. The Poolmaster 222605 5-way Swimming Pool Test Kit is certainly a step in the right direction with regards to ensuring your pool or spa water is safe to go in. Covering probably the 3 most important chemicals aspects, total alkalinity, total bromine or acid demand, as well as pH and chlorine content, this pool test kit has really earned its first place in the carefully thought out buying guide. If you've taken on in the ground or above ground swimming pool maintenance operation but are not too knowledgeable about an effective water test, getting your hands on this product from Poolmaster will turn out to be very useful. Indeed, as long as you read the instructions carefully, you can't really go wrong with this kit. With clearly marked bottles for different chemicals to add during the testing process that have their own specific color for their caps, novice pool test kit users should be able to muddle through the task without any issues. Of course, once you've used the kit a few times, the process will feel like second nature. If you want to know about the latest price of the Poolmaster 222605 5-way Swimming Pool Test Kit, check the description box. Moving on to the next, at number 2 we have Poolmaster 2221 Smart Test 4-way Swimming Pool Test Kit. Just like we might eat certain foods and drink particular beverages in order to maintain a healthy diet, it's important to keep a check on the chemistry of our pool water if we hope to have a healthy swimming environment. All we need to do is ensure we buy a decent product to help us test the pool or spa. To say this option and what we believe to be one of the best pool test kit products around today is effective for keeping tabs on chemical content is probably a bit of an understatement. But we guess you're already aware of that. Poolmaster 2221 is in the second slot on our list for a good reason. The compact container for storing the strips is easy to keep tightly sealed, just what you want to keep the strips free from damage. No matter if you know next to nothing about tasting pools and spas for the volume of chlorine or bromine and pH or alkalinity, the clear instructions with this product will gently walk you through the process. Of course, by conducting regular checks on the aforementioned chemical factors, we should be able not to only avoid potential infections in the ears, nose and throat, but also help to prevent a significant buildup of microbes causing the appearances of the pool water to change to a very nasty looking green. If this is your desired product, please check the links in the description below. The number 3 position is held by Deluxe DPD Pool Test Kit. What many private pool owners as well as people managing a public swimming pool will do after buying a new pool test product is check out the results against a test procedure carried out by a pool company. Whether you find that this is one of the best pool test kit products available today or not, it's worth taking a closer look. Apart from a reliable pool testing kit to conduct an analysis of the chemistry of your pool or spa water, it's a good idea to use visual judgment by actually looking for any changes in the water. Using this tried and tested method for both pools and spas will often pay dividends. One thing that makes a kit for testing pool water so sought after is how easy it is to use. Indeed, buying a product like this with clear and easy to follow instructions make all the difference in a quest to maintain a safe pool or spa environment. The extremely accurate readings of the Deluxe DPD Pool and Spa Water Taste Kit gave pool owners much more peace of mind regarding the status of their swimming pool water. The last thing anyone would want to learn is that they failed to keep a healthy pool due to a lack of effort. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please do like, share and comment. Next at number 4 of AquaChek 5512367-way 100 count pool water test tubes. If you had to put in a hell of a lot of overtime so you could eventually own your own pool, it would be worthwhile spending some cash on all the gear needed to maintain a healthy pool. Pool test strips such as these are one of the best ways to keep the quality of the water in your pool at a safe level. However, as there are many effective pool water tasting kits, it can feel a bit overbearing. But in order to swim and not sink regarding proper maintenance of pools, we must carry out some online research, including looking at informative buying guides. By ensuring the levels of chlorine and bromine are at the correct volume, pool owners should be able to keep some waterborne diseases at bay. As primary sanitizers for pools and spas, keeping an eye on how much of these two vital chemicals we have in our water is paramount. That said, it doesn't mean we can't take our eyes off the ball in terms of the balance of the entire range of chemicals used to foster healthy pool water. The reusable color comparator chart that comes with the AquaChek 55126 tasting kit is also an essential aspect of making sure your pool is safe to swim in. If you have already used any of these products, do let us know through a comment. It will help others to worthy buy. Also, check out the buying guide attached to the description below. Finally, at number 5 of HTH Pool Test Kit's 6-way taste kit. Everything in moderation is something most of us would have heard from people wishing to offer us good advice. This well-coined phrase wouldn't be truer with the application of sanitizers in our pool. By using the Saya pool tester provided with this product, managing cyanic acid levels is effortless. But although this best pool test kit is to buy the ideal for making sure we don't have too much Saya, there's a lot more to this option than just this aspect, as important as it is. With a 6-way tasting system and this brand in its kits, pool owners should keep all chemicals in their pool at a safe level. And although many swimming pool installers provide a free pool tester service, it's still wise to purchase a product like this. We only have to take a look at the huge amount of praise that the HTH Pool Test Kit 6-way test kit has received to appreciate it's a very efficient tasting kit. One thing that impressed many users of this test kit is the fact that they are able to save a fair amount of cash. As bringing in a sample of pool or spa water for a pool company to check could be expensive in some cases, it makes economic sense to buy an HTH test kit. That's all for today. We upload outdoor product review videos in every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.